What if I told you money didn't start with money, and it might not end with it either? 6,000 years ago, you had rice, I had fish. We bartered. But what if I didn't want fish today? Trade collapsed. So we invented shortcuts. Things everyone agreed had value. Salt, shells, cattle, even giant stones. Around 600 BC, Lydia, now Turkey, minted metal coins. Gold, silver. Small, shiny, hard to fake. A few centuries later, China said, "Why not paper? No coins, just trust." Then came banks. You stored gold, got receipts. Receipts became money. Fast forward, credit cards, online banking, digital apps. Money became just numbers, held by systems we don't control. In 2008, the market crashed. Trust cracked. In 2009, someone proposed a new system, Bitcoin. No printers, no banks, just code, math. 21 million coins. Every version of money solved a problem and created a new one. So, is Bitcoin just the next version? Follow 1M Block for more.